Young World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. I want to bring an interesting app to y'all attention. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Young World. Now, this app was brought to my attention just last week, and I just wanted to share this valuable information with everybody out there. Definitely everybody out there that's thinking about building a credit. Now, this app right here is called Grain. It's available for the iPhone and the Android. And what this app does is it allows you to connect your bank account, your major bank account, and based on the activity of your debit card, you know, the money you got coming in and out, the money you have in your account, they will give you a revolving line of credit. Now, they do this without checking your credit score. This is a new type of bank called a fintech bank, which they give you credit based on your banking history, not really your credit history and payment history. So these fintech companies are popping up everywhere, man, and it's causing a lot of buzz in the community. And I just got aware of this app, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. So I want to show y'all this app, a little bit of this app. Let me log in real quick. Alright, so right here you can see that the amount I spent this month was $151.50. I have $448.50 left, and I use 26% of the credit. My current cycle is July 17th to the 17th. You can see how much I withdrawn. So I was approved based on my banking activity for $600, a $600 line of credit just by signing up on this app. This is something you could do right now. You could click off this video and go to the app store and download this app. And once you enter in your information, they'll determine, you know, well, really once you connect your bank account, they'll determine how much credit you're offered. You know what I'm saying? They link your account so you can see. And just 3 days ago, I did my first withdrawal, and I had to put down a security deposit also. So that's something to note. But this Grain reports to all the major credit bureaus, and you know, it's just something to have in your arsenal, I believe. Like when you're building your credit up, these fintech companies, I'm just becoming aware of fintech companies and doing a lot of research, but I like the fact that they don't check your credit. They don't do a hard inquiry on your credit report. They just go off of your banking activity. You know, as long as you have income flowing in and out of your bank account, you know, you will be approved. So if you got a major bank, Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, you know, if you have any major bank account, I recommend, you know, downloading this app, connecting your bank account to the app, and seeing what they give you. You know, you never know. Definitely if you're a younger person and, you know, you've been trying to get credit cards and lines of credit, and you've been denied, and you're getting a bunch of hard inquiries on your account, this is, you know, a good way to start establishing credit, you know, through this fintech company without getting all of those hard inquiries on your account, man. So yeah, Grain, all it does is analyzes your income, then it instantly offers you a line of revolving credit. Like literally, you'll figure out how much money you're getting today. If you go ahead and try out Grain, you'll see how much you're getting today, man. So yeah, man, it's a 1% fee on the withdrawals too. That's something to notice. So as you can see, I withdrew 150, but my balance was that I have to pay back is 151.50. That's because it's a 1% fee or charge on withdrawals. But yeah, no credit card, no credit check needed. You'll get a revolving line of credit based on your banking activity. You can see once you connect your bank account, you know, it'll automatically populate your account balance, and you know, it'll, you know, give you an available line of credit that you could use, you could withdraw. And withdrawals happen the same business day. So as long as you withdraw like before, I think it's 6 p.m., you'll get it the same day. But if you withdraw later in the day, later in the business day, it will come on the next business day. So yeah, I like Grain. You know, let me see if it's anything else I could show you, because this app, it's a lot of personal information on this app. Oh, you can see this page. So you can see right here, you know, the credit, you know, my balance, minimum payment. It's trying to load something at the top. Minimum payment is $10, due on September 10th. You know, APR 12% on this. You can see my available credit is 600. Well, my available credit is 448.50, but my credit limit is 600. So far, I've used 26% this month. You know, I want to keep my utilization below 30. You know, on all my lines of credit. So, you know, I just use below 30%, and I'll be able to withdraw. Let me see what it says when you withdraw. Yeah, I could withdraw. Let's say if I was to withdraw $100, you know, I don't want to press withdraw. I thought it would populate the estimated arrival, but it literally comes in one day. So yeah, it comes in one day. But yeah, trying to see if it's gonna load. But yeah, that's Grain. Replace your credit card with a revolving line of credit right on your mobile app, right on your iPhone. Hold on, app kind of messing up right here, as y'all can see. Let me restart the app. Yeah, get you a revolving line of credit, man. I recommend this for all of my young people out there, people who have been trying to rebuild their credit. If you've recently been denied, you know, based on past credit history, Grain is a fintech banking company, and it's a lot of different fintech banking companies I'm going to be bringing to your awareness on this channel. But this gives you an opportunity, you know, based on your income, because it's a lot of valuable customers, I feel like, that are out there to get overlooked, that have enough income, but because they don't have an established credit payment history, or, you know, they don't have any previous credit, you know, they get denied. And these are people that are valuable customers that have income coming in, but because of maybe a bad decision in the past, or them just not establishing credit, you know, they're looked at as not eligible. But that's where fintech companies come in at, and they solve a problem for people. That's a big problem in banking. A lot of people have, you could be a construction worker, you have, you know, capital coming in every year, but you never got a credit card, you never established credit, so it's hard for you to get loans and cars and things like that. So yeah, I just wanted to bring this to y'all awareness. Grain replaces your credit card by providing a revolving line of credit based on your debit card cash flow. I got approved for $600. Let's see if we can get that on screen. I got approved for a $600 credit limit. Took me less than a minute to get that approval. All you gotta do is connect your bank account. I had to put down a deposit, but after I put down that deposit, I was able to have access to, well, after the deposit cleared, it took about 3 days for the deposit to clear. But after the deposit cleared, I was able to have access to the $600 credit limit. Now, that's my video for today. It's your boy Yon World. I hope y'all found this video interesting, and I hope y'all learned something today. Remember, this app is called Grain. You can download it on the iPhone and Android. They do not do a credit check, and they will give you a revolving line of credit based on your debit card's income, based on your cash flow from your bank account. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.